The great thing about it, I forgot to mention that they give you different sizes of paper. You guys can see that. Small to large. And they're all thermal papers with the actual same coloring. All right. For this demo, we're going to use some of their local art that they have. And you just find something that you're comfortable with. All right. So they have plenty of art to begin with. If you don't, you go upload your own. Grab this Puma, if you guys can see that. And then we're going to go ahead and download it and install it, or we could just print it from here. All right, we just fed the actual paper, and you got to do it from the front, all right, from here. And this is where you actually range it, what type of paper we have. So right now we have it. All we got to do is get our image, and we have to say print, and it's going to send it through the printer, right? So let's go ahead and print it now. And there it goes. So they give plenty of paper that you can start with and actually start doing your images. And that's it. That's pretty much it. So now let's see, is it confirmed that we got the image? All right, confirm. Let's see how well it came out. We transfer. And there it is. You guys can see it. It's in there. So let's see if we could transfer that image over to us. So let's go ahead and do that. That beautiful image. Look at that. So here's this actual stencil. And we're going to see if we could actually transfer this into my hand and see if we could get that image going here, somewhere in here. All right, let's see how good it come out. And you can see it. So there's a stencil. And if you're an artist, let me get a, you can almost see it there. You guys can see it. I didn't do it very well. You have to do a spray gun and it comes out pretty good, but not bad. Not bad for the first one. All right, overall, it came out pretty good. I'm not a professional. I'm going to let you guys know that I don't know anything about tattoos or anything about doing tattoos, but this machine actually transferred the actual feature into my skin, which is something that a lot of tattoo artists do. So this works very well, even with the application. It has an app where actually you could take a picture of something and post it or integrate it with your system. If you have a computer, you could also do it through computer, iPad, iPhone, Android to the application. But look how well it came out. And I'm going to try to see if I can show you. It's like a Puma kind of thing. And this paper, you can reuse it again if you're going to print out anything from this side. But you could just buy these. They sell them separately in different sizes. And of course, the machine, you can take it anywhere. Very small, petite, easy to use. And also, if you ever forget the application, underneath there's a barcode that you could download the app and in the box too. So simple out of the box. I hope you guys enjoy the video.